how to buy a land in Cameroon step by step. Step number 1, identify a genuine real estate company. After you identify a genuine real estate company, step number 2 is that you go for site inspection. Now, do not buy what you have not seen. All right, always make sure that you go and see the land on ground. Now, if you are a Cameroonian abroad and you cannot come to see the land on ground, send a representative or a trusted real estate consultant that you are working with to go and do the site inspection for you, to make sure that they check the access road. There is no signage on the land that says private property. The land is not too hilly and the topography is exactly what you want. Also, another version of site inspection is that always request for videos and images, even drone shots of the area, especially if you are buying in bulk or buying for land banking. Step number 3, making payment. This is when you now make payment. You only make payment after you have seen the property on video and on ground. And step number 4, documentation. Now, a lot of people think that after you've made payment, it automatically means that you own a property. That's not true. The most important part of buying a land is the step after making payment, which is documentation, because documentation is when the transfer of the ownership, the rights and the interest and even the title of that property is given to you. So when you make payment, always make sure that you follow up the documentation. Let them transfer the land title. If the property is a titled property, let the chief acquisition be given to you. Let the deed be made for you. Let the transfer of ownership be made. Let them also give you a receipt of acknowledgement. And then the next step is called allocation. Allocation is the process by which the real estate company or the real estate consultant takes you to the property and tells you that, okay, you bought this property, this is your site plan, and this is the land that belongs to you, or this is the portion of land that you paid for. And then the next step is called possession. Possession is when you actually take possession over your property by planting something, doing something, fencing it, you start the foundation, just do something on the property that shows that you have full possession of that property. After you've done all of this, can you then now say that you have complete ownership or you've purchased a property? And the last step, which is the most important, is to repeat this process. So this is the same process you repeat over and over if you want to purchase a property here in Cameroon, especially here in the city of Buea, southwest region of Cameroon. So if you're looking to purchase or invest your hard-earned money in the best real estate deals here in the city of Buea, our numbers are on the screen. You can call us or send us a message on WhatsApp to book for a site inspection right now. In the meantime, enjoy a great day.